rocky island is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. But Mont Saint Michel isn't just a dream destination, it's also a real village. Among the inhabitants is the mayor, Jacques Bonneau. He managed to purchase property on the island after years of searching and a bit of luck.
It took a little more than 10 years to find a house and purchase it, so there's roughly one sale every 25 to 30 years.
Being active is part of daily life here for Jacques, who regularly climbs up and down the village ramparts to reach the 15th century town hall. Saint Michael watches over the city council meetings.
It's rare to have a saint in the town hall and to have the Virgin Mary also on the town hall building. So I get a few letters about this, talking about the religious and secular side. But the Mont Saint Michel is 1,300 years old, so we're not going to undo history.
And the mayor can spy on what's going on in his village thanks to this secret hatch.
More than 3 million visitors pass under here. They don't realize they're passing directly under the town hall.
3 million tourists a year. Astonishing for such a small community.
For one inhabitant, there are roughly 100,000 tourists during the summer. So 30 residents, 3 million visitors.
To avoid the crowds, Mary Brigitte goes out at the end of the day. She grew up here, but the village has changed a lot since her childhood. There are no longer bakeries or grocery stores on the island.
The closest shops are 10 kilometers away. I walk up to the house with my backpack, 1 or 2 little bags.
You must be in shape.
If I've pain in my knees, I tell myself, do you want to live on the Mont? Don't think about your knees.
Even amidst the thousands of tourists, there's still a sense of a small village. She knows each shopkeeper. Every day she pays them a visit, like to Gabriel Bossard, a 6th-generation souvenir seller.
If you want, here's a little medal like the one you lost.
A good luck medal from Saint Michael. These little gestures that make all the difference.
It's a small village. We all know each other, either the residents or those who work here. We all say hello.
On these steep streets where no cars can drive, the delivery of a refrigerator is a challenging task. Here, shopkeepers help one another. They all hail from old families that have long lived on the island. One of the oldest is that of François Riedel.
My family has been here since the end of the 17th century, since 1663.
He's taken over his family's crepe restaurant. Leaving this heritage behind was out of the question.
I learnt from my father, who learnt from his father, and so on for 350 years.
There are only old families here?
There are only 5 families on Mont Saint Michel, and we are the last and largest family still active on Mont Saint Michel.
François knows each street on the island where he played as a child. He takes us to the little village cemetery where 4 of the graves bear the name Riedel.
Since forever my family has got married on Mont Saint Michel. The children have been baptized in the church, and we've been buried in the cemetery of Mont Saint Michel.
A destiny shaped by generations. Each inhabitant shares a deep bond with Mont Saint Michel, following in the footsteps of their ancestors.
Мені кажеться, вони такі даже більш, у них така глибина духовності, вони інші, ніж ми. Вони життя розуміють більш глибше. Вони,
звикли. Тому що ось на початку війни все було, як казав Єгор. Тобто я не сприймав це як щось серйозне, це було, правда, як гра якась, я не розумів, що це може вбити когось. А потім, десь посередині, другий рік, тоді я став дуже сильно боятися. Не знаю чого, але прям...
Well, we can say about our conditions in our country also, and because of the school, you just can't feel like a child any second. It is impossible for now.
Ми з батьком звикли, нам це не страшно, мати у нас дуже сильно переживає, і вона хоче виїхати, але у мене тут все. Я знайшов тут підроботку, я навчаю людей займатися на гітарі. У мене тут активне життя, фонд, група, друзі, я це так легко не можу покинути.